Hey guys, you know what I like most about torpedo pots is that you can grow huge amounts of food, and well, I don't have to turn the ground over. So my homeowners association can't complain about it because it's just flower pots. They're efficient systems that protect against rodents and other critters. That's why we have them in the planters. They can't even climb up them. Torpedo pot is so cool because you can just set up your garden immediately. I mean, I can just move my house and automatically set up my garden, have my garden running before I actually bring in my furniture, set up my garden. I've just moved my garden. These torpedo pots have been here for about 8 years. And trust me, out of that one planter you're looking at, well, I'll get about no less than 20 zucchini. No less than 20 zucchini. Tomatoes, I'll get between 60 and I would say 60 to 200 mid-sized big tomatoes. And then for the cherry tomatoes, we do about 1,000. And then we have the corn sitting right there. Um, we've got watermelon and corn growing in the same planter. So we expect to have watermelon and, yes, indeed, corn. We maximize our space. We have more tomatoes, and then we have radish on the far end. So torpedo pot, it grows your food. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and it's the best pop-up garden I've ever seen before in my life.